So hi guys, today is class suspended but yeah, late ko na siya nabasa kasi late na rin nag-announce and nasa school na ako. But right now, I'm here at Zach's unit kasi gagawin kami ng scale model. And then, we're going first to eat. Say hi!
Hi!
So, yeah, I'm going to make our breakfast. It's done. Yeah. What are you going to say, Lade?
Thank you, Natalie. So great. Oh my God.
15 na yan. Dapat dito. Di pantay, ge. Pero tumulong ka magpakit dyan. Nararamdaman din natin. Gawin natin tong 0, ito 1, ito 15.
My God, there's my face, girl. Look at that face. The reflection of your face, girl.
So guys, we're going to MOA. We're going to buy sa National Bookstore.
Cause we are hunters, boys.
Kasi nakulangan kami ng materials na gagamitin para dun sa scale model namin. So, ayun, bibili ulit kami. Gagastos ulit. Again. Walang elevator. Ayun o, going down. Ay, hala.
Perfect.
We're here at MOA to buy some things we need for a scale model.
So we're going to MOA.
Hi guys, we got the goods. We got the goods. Nagawa na ulit kami ng...
What's good, Miley?
What are we going to do? We're gonna buy some food.
sobrang busy sa art.
Hi guys! Today is Tuesday and I'm here again at Zach's unit.
Hi,
Cause we're not finished yet sa ginagawa namin.
scale model
Yes.
of Moira Reina.
Yes. Kasi yun yung magiging ano namin midterm. But now,
Hindi na tayo mag-exam.
hindi may exam pa. Pero yun din yung gagawin na. Parang, one of the grades. Parang midterm project.
Sana
Something.
isihan na lang nila yung exam natin kasi meron tayong ganun. Right?
But now we're going to cook. Because we're hungry. So guys, bumili kami ng different sizes ng carne norte. Because we're going to eat.
This one.
Ano sa inyo? Yeah, this one.
Isa lang.
Then this. Get it May ka ba sa garlic?
Okay. Ito na rin yung
Then a potato.
Yan pa.
What's that? Sugar? Then this. Oil.
Ayun ang sugar sa ano.
Guys, we bought then some juice. See what are we cooking today? 12th floor kasi we're waiting for the pep rally to start. But we're going to wait for the Gen Assembly. Then by 4 p.m. we're going to MOA Music Hall kasi doon gaganapin yung pep rally. And we're waiting na here sa 12th floor for the attendance or the assembly for the pep rally. And I'm with them. Say hi. They're finishing their they're finishing their ano ba yan? Diorama. Our scale model for
Nandiyan ako. Ay, hindi ako online.
Kasi bukas na ipapasa yon, kaya ayun, lahat kami tinatapos na namin yun. Luckily, we're done!
Bakit ang skin ko dyan? Uy, saan mo yung video kanina?
I look great. I look great today, but I'm going to change pa sa blue kasi yun yung required na color of the shirt. And yeah, hey, stop doing that. What are you going to tell with them?
Send me na video.
What video do you want?
The one in the cafeteria.
What cafeteria?
Sa'yo yun? O, sa'yo. Bye.
Hey! Hey! Maway kayo sa vlog ko.
Hello, vlog. Hello, vlog.
We're here na guys at MOA Music Hall and the pep rally is going to start. Not already starting. It's going to start. Say hi, Hero.
Bakit tumayo?
Say hi.
Hi.
April, say hi.
Hello. This is the finished product. You can't actually see it well, but that is the Moarina, made by Natalie and me. Say hi, Natalie.
Hello.
Say hi, Pauline. What?
Wag na. Okay na yan, babe. Hindi naman amin to.
Yes.
Nanghingi lang
Say
kami.
hi to the vlog, one kiss. Ate, kailangan mo?
Okay na ako, ma. Okay na to.
Okay na daw siya, ma. Wow, what the fuck?
Say hi. Boy, Adelaide. Adelaide's drawing is very nice.
But she's gonna go home 10 p.m. later.
Masarap ba yan? Rate, pa-rate. Pinagbilang niya pa tayo. 0 over 1.
One lang, kasi 0-1.
Paano?
Sabi niya 0-1, so hindi natin kakainin.
Ay, lock in siya, ma. Bye, Jorin. Look. So pretty. Bye, Kit.
Bye-bye. Ay, cute.
Lock in sila.
Ito yata yung parusa ko kasi hindi lang si Simba.
Bye.
Pakita mo ang ginagawa niya. Hindi, yung ginagawa niya.
Maganda to, guys. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Very lock in. Very lock in si Josh. Tingnan nyo yung screen.
Kaya mo kung ano nangyari dito ba?
We are going home.
Parang binugbog.
Maganyan ka talaga lagi.
Mukhang binugbog.
Pagkatapos lang ng plate. This is Alexa.
Dapat may before and after.
Hala, grabe. Nag-request pa talaga siya ng before and after.